Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to make a duet video on TikTok. If you'd like to create a duet video, which has been the talk of the town lately, but you don't know how, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by opening up your TikTok application. In order to begin, tap it on from the app list and make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. The TikTok Duet is basically when you record a video that follows along with another person's video that you like. For example, let me go ahead and make a duet with this video out here. Simply tap on the share button with the arrow pointed towards the right side of the screen at the bottom right corner. And at the bottom menu, you'll be able to see a duet button. Give it a tap in order to process the video. You might need to allow TikTok to take pictures and record video. If it asks you that, tap on the allow button, allow more access, and you'll be taken to your camera screen as you can see on the display right now. Simply go ahead and record your video by tapping on the red button at the bottom of the screen. Press hold to that button in order to record your video. You can make whatever video you want to make with the particular person, and you'll be able to see the video preview after you are done. Add any text, filters or stickers from the menu that you can see at the bottom of the screen or at the top right hand of the screen. After you are done making a duet, tap the next button in the lower right hand corner. Add in your captions and other post details that you want, and finally tap post at the bottom right corner. That is how you'll be able to create a duet on TikTok. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.